This video will show you how to format your header row, sort the data in your table, align your table on your page, and apply an auto format. Let's start by adding a header row to our table. Remember that a header row is simply a row of titles for each of your columns. So we'll go ahead and go to the top of our data and insert a row above that, and then type in the titles of our columns. The first column would be the product, second column would be the price, third is quantity sold, and the last is total profit from that particular product. For the header row, all of your titles should be center. So we'll go ahead and highlight that row, go to our Align button, and choose Center. Your header row also needs to be bolded. Now that we have formatted our header row, we can go ahead and sort the data in our table. And today we're going to go ahead and sort by price ascending. You have two options when you're going to sort. You can highlight your header row and all of your data, or you can just highlight your data. It is easier if you highlight your header row so that when you go into the sort dialog box, you will be able to choose to sort by the header row titles. So after you've highlighted your data, you can go up to Table and choose Sort, and then notice at the bottom of the sort dialog box there is a radial button for no header row or header row. Once you choose header row, you will notice that in the sort by section your header row titles will show up. So I can sort by product, price, quantity sold, or total profit. We're going to go ahead and sort by price as we talked about, and then choose ascending so that it will go from lowest price to highest price. After you do that, you can say OK. Let's say I also want to sort by quantity sold. So first I want it to sort by price and then by the quantity sold. That is just as easy to do. You'll go back to Table and go to Sort. Again, check that you have a header row. Choose Price and Ascending, and then in the next box that says Then By, you'll choose Quantity Sold and either Ascending or Descending, whichever you choose. Go ahead and say OK, and you'll notice there was a slight change in the list so that now my list is first sorted by price and then by quantity sold. Now that we have sorted our list, let's center our table on the page so that it looks a little bit nicer. The first way we will center is horizontally. Remember that you can select your table by selecting the four-sided arrow in the upper left corner. Go ahead and click on that arrow, and then you use your normal text alignment buttons as if you were just typing a report or letter in Word. We'll go ahead and choose the Center button, and then you can unselect your table for the next section. We'll go ahead and center vertically on the page. To do that, you're going to go to Format, Document, and then once that comes up, you will choose Layout, and right in the center of that box you will see Vertical Alignment, and you can go ahead and choose Center. And then say OK, and you will notice that your table is centered in your page. You could have also chosen to align your table at the bottom or at the top, and horizontally you could have also aligned it on the right or the left. We'll go ahead and leave it centered. The last step that we will do today is to apply an auto format to our table. An auto format allows you to apply borders and shading quickly rather than deciding what borders and shading you want all on your own. To apply an auto format, you need to click in your table, and then you may go to Tables. Right in the middle you will see Table Styles. You can click through the different styles using the arrows on the right or left and simply pick one. One step that is important to this is once you apply an auto format, you will notice that it has changed some of the other formatting in your table. Notice that it has bolded my title, and we do not normally bold titles in our table formatting, so you'll want to make sure to unbold that and double check any other bolding or italics or underline that may have happened that you don't want to. That concludes our video for today.